Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Shin cheesy ramen noodle stew. And here are the ingredients. 1 packet of Shin Ramen soup noodle, 1 egg, half cup of bok choy, 2 pieces of shrimp, and 1 cup of cheese. This is going to be a cheesy, delicious ramen noodle. Please stay tuned. In a pan, I have boiled about 2 cups of water. Now I'm going to add my ramen, that's from the package. When the noodles being cooked, we could add in the dry veggie and seasoning from the ramen packet. We can also now toss in our 2 shrimps. Our half cup of bok choy. And our green onions. The total cooking time for ramen and everything should be 5 minutes. Five minutes has passed. Now let's add our pre-cooked egg. And I like my egg soft boiled. You could also add fried eggs or any type of egg you would like. And for the cheesy effects, don't forget about the cheese. You can use mozzarella, monster cheese, or any type of cheese you would like. Our cheesy stew ramen noodles is done, guys. It looks so good. Today, since it's nice and cold, I think I'll decide to eat it off from the pan. As you can see, we have our cheesy noodles with bok choy, an egg, and shrimp, and green onions. And if it's not cheesy enough, you could add some more cheese. This cheesy, spicy, hot ramen stew is so good on a cold and rainy day, or any day you would like. And especially, it's so comforting. It's such an easy, quick meal that could satisfy anybody. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.